Hi guys, I'm Audi. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to installing a small module on my 2017 Audi A4, which this module will be displaying the torque, power on your virtual cockpit, and also upshifting flashing at the center display as well. After installing this module, you are going to need some coding as well, and this method will be only for cars that has sport display on your virtual cockpit. And no matter you have the B9 or A5, A4 or S4, S5, all of those cars will use this module. And same to the newest Audi model like the C8 on your A6, A7, A6, A7, all of this module will going to fit, even the A3 and A3. So let me show you what the module looks like. As you can see, this is the module. We are going to install this to your gateway under the rear seat and just unlike all of these pins. And I believe this pin should be enough. You just need to take the rear seats out and then installing all of those, then should be work. Now let's restart the work. Now we are going to take the rear seats out. You just need to pull it out here like this. Same to that side, like this, and pull this out. If you have the heated rear seat, you might have some wires to unclick it. Just like this. This plug is out. You have to hold this click and then pull this white clip to the left side and then pull it out. This is for the tire pressure module. So right now, as you can see, all of these wires is out from this bracket here and here. There are two small clips, one on each side. You just click them out and then hold them, slide them to the right. This bracket will be out. And here you can see all of these wires are here. And from this side, we are going to unplug the pin 18 and pin 13 to here. And then we are going to do the other side. And all of the pin number are right down here. So it's really easy to replace them. So we start with the smallest number is 13, and we are going to reconnect the orange and blue wire from the new module to here. After the 13, now we are going to take the 18, which is on the left side. Now the 18 is out. We are going to put this one in, and on the back side we are going to take out this 31 first. Now this 31 is out, and we are going to put the new 31 in. New 31 is in, and we are going to working on the last two, which is on a larger board. Another one is 54. Oh, this is the last one, 54. Now the last one is out, 54. We are going to put the new one in. Everything is in. We are going to right now put the stock one to this new module. Now as you can see, everything is in. This is not really that complicated. The only hard thing is you have to take this small port out to put the stock one back to this new port. So that's the hard one. I'm going to use some zip tie to tie them up and use 3M tape to let this module to stay here. So right now it's at the night already, and everything is done. Let me show you. So as you can see here, is showing the RS4 logo. If you want to that flashing, and you have to change this logo to the RS4 one. Otherwise, you cannot have that function. Unfortunately, this engine data for the torque and the power, it will be not functional. It will be only showing this because of the software version for this virtual cockpit is 0313, which is not the newest version. They need the 0379 for this engine data running. Officially, Audi doesn't suggest you to upgrade this virtual cockpit to the 0379 version, which might damage the virtual cockpit if you try to upgrade that. So I'm not going to do that because it's quite complicated if the upgrading is failed. So I have to take out this virtual cockpit and send to the shop to fix it, which is quite complicated. I'm already happy because I already have the upshifting flashing. I really like that. If you have the right version, then you can have this engine data. or you can also upgrade to the newest version if you want. By the way, if you haven't checked my last video, then you should check out this ambient light. Same to the passenger side. It looks like exactly the same to the OEM ones. If you want to one of these, you can just contact me and I can get them for you. Right now, let me warm up the car and take you have a look. I will type all of the coding procedures in the end of this video, and you can follow the instruction after you installing the module. So if you want to get one of these modules, please contact me on Facebook or Instagram and I can help you to get them. So this will be end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram as well. Thank you for watching. I will see you next video.